Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk on how to order in TikTok. Are you wondering on how to order these trendy products you see on TikTok? Well, you are in the right place. So without further ado, let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do, guys, is to download the TikTok app on your smartphone. It is available in iOS or any Android devices, and it is for free. So now, since that we have this TikTok app on our mobile phone, let us just open it. Alright, so let's click this, and once you open this TikTok, guys, you can see here at the lower part of the screen, as you can see, there is a home, a shop, a cross sign or plus sign, your inbox, and your profile. Alright? So the next thing you need to do is go to the shop where you want to look for a product that you want to buy. Alright? So let's say, for example, let's scroll this. Let's say, for example, this one, this headphone. Alright? So let's just click it. And then once you click it, guys, you can now see here an add to cart or a buy with coupon. Alright, so by the way, guys, you can also chat the seller of this product. Alright, so for example, we are going to buy this one. So just click add to cart. And of course, we have to choose first the color that we want, whether it's black, pink, dark blue, light blue, gray, and purple. So let's select this pink color and then tap confirm. Alright, so once you click it, guys, we can now also already go to our cart. Just click this cart. Okay, this one. So since we're going to buy this Bluetooth headphone, just make sure that it is selected and then click checkout. So once you click the checkout, guys, you can also, next to it is select your payment method, whether it is cash on delivery, add a debit or credit, or GCash. Alright, so let's say, for example, we are going to pay this product through cash on delivery. So just click this one like that, and after that one, guys, you can now click this place order. Alright, so there you go. This is on how to order in TikTok. So if you want to know on how to order in TikTok, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to order in TikTok, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!